The past 3 weeks have been crazy. I already surpassed my 15% quota for the year. So now we're doing what institutions and fund companies can't, and that's to cash out. Now, a lot of institutions and funds, when you look at the fund prospectuses, they have their rules. Most rules say that you can only have cash 10% of the full net asset value of the fund. That means that they don't have the right to liquidate their portfolio when they want, and they always have to be invested. And if they have a specific investment universe, they have to stay within that. So a lot of times you have an equity fund, and they can't even jump into bonds if they would like to. So they need to stay invested. They might rotate from value to growth. They might change sectors, but they need to stay invested. And doing this actively as a private investor or private company, you can sort of watch the ebb and flow of your portfolio and consider it like an enhanced buy and hold strategy, where when you're on top and your portfolio's value is up, you try to jump out, and when it's down, you jump back in. Now, of course, it's difficult to time everything perfectly, but you can always trim your holdings, and you can always add positions when something is cheap. So if you have 10 stocks that you truly believe in, then you can basically cut them when it goes well, and then you add to them when they're cheap. It's a little bit like cutting coupons from a newspaper. So when you see something is cheap, you buy a bit more of it. And what's the option then? So if you sell now, like I've been doing, because the market's going up and up so much that I trim my positions every day, the market still goes up, I'm still trimming, and I end up with cash. And a lot of times cash has been trash the past years. You basically got zero interest on it. But for instance, right now, you get already 3.83% interest if you have US dollars on Interactive Brokers. So why not? It's not as high as the inflation, doesn't match, but still, it's something. So I'm gonna keep on trimming my positions. What are you gonna do?